are implementing the conventions in Mediterranean countries. Can you tell us what is your implementation strategy on regional level as well as global level?
Yes. I'm the director of the Regional Center for Cleaner Production of the Barcelona Convention, and recently, last year at the COP4, we were ratified as a Stockholm Convention Center for the Mediterranean countries. And we do apply the convention at the regional level in the 21 Mediterranean countries. And it's actually a very good exercise of also creating synergies with the Barcelona Convention and specifically the protocol of land-based source pollution, which is a protocol that for the Mediterranean countries was ratified by all the 21 Mediterranean countries and address all chemical products, specifically the persistent organic pollutants, all the substances that are also dealt in the Stockholm Convention. And we work with several centers that are around the Mediterranean countries, like for example the center of Algeria that was nominated center of the Stockholm Convention, and the center in Egypt, which is a center of the Basel Convention. So in working and implementing all our activities in those Mediterranean countries, we also help other centers around the Mediterranean, both from the Stockholm Convention and the Basel Convention centers. At the global level, we have contacts and we've been in contacts, and we are also implementing some collaboration agreement with the centers of Latin America. That there are 4 centers in Latin America that are centers of the Stockholm Convention. And it's because we are based in Spain, we have all our documentation, guidelines, courses, online material in several languages, and Spanish is one of them. So they benefit from our material that is also in Spanish, and they benefit of the experience and all the tools that we have developed to promote a sound management of chemicals in the Mediterranean countries.
What kind of expectations you have from these simultaneous extraordinary meetings?
Well, I do have the expectations that they are going to get into an agreement of how we better deploy the joint activities program, how better manage the work of the Secretariat, and how to get a better direction on how each regional center can be helpful in implementing the 3 convention in a better way. Actually, I think it's going to be very important as well if they actually agree on some kind of financing for this synergistic approach, because up until now we have the issue of finance to get a clear idea on what is going to be the mechanism to finance this synergistic approach.